Hi guys, here at Cradley Heath Station Level Crossing in West Midlands with Ruscovern. Right, time is 16:38 on Sunday the 28th of January 2018, and this is for year 1642, expected arrival 1641, 2 Victor 16, West Midlands Railway Service from Stratford-upon-Avon to Worcester-Foregate Street. They really need to replace this alarm. In my opinion. Because this alarm over here is messed up. Completely messed up. Or fix it, whatever they're going to do with this. What? Just have a look on the sticker. At the sticker on the alarm. It's hard to. I don't know if that's got a style on it or not, or just the Clifford Instant on its own. But I think it's got the style logo on it. Yes, it does. Try to view it on my iPad because it's hard to see it from my own eyes. Because the way the alarm's been put. There it comes now. 172-213. One 172-230 to 172-222 to Worcester-Foregate Street.